Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can redeem Tim Hortons points. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you actually want to do is open up the Tim Hortons app. Now if you don't already have it, you can go ahead and download it. And then if you already have a physical rewards card, you can simply link it to your account within the app. Once you've done that and you're logged into your account, you should be able to see this section that says rewards on the homepage. And you can go ahead and click on that to redeem your rewards. From there, we will be taken to the rewards section of the Tim Hortons app. And here we can see the points we have at the top of the app. Once you have collected enough points, you can redeem them for free coffee, donuts, and food items. And all you have to do is simply click whatever you want to redeem. And as long as you have enough points, it will actually put your order through. But please note that points expire after 12 months. And also, when you are earning points, you can only bank a maximum of 20,000 points at one time. So this has been my video showing you how to redeem Tim Hortons points. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say I helped you out. Thanks for watching.